Be sure to watch this all the way through because the ending is epic. This is 4 mini Jenga blocks. I stood 2 up on its side, glued them all together with some Aleene's tacky glue and hot glue. And you'll see me stand that up. I did the same thing for both sides. And this is just going to keep them all together. Next, I'm going to take 3 giant popsicle sticks, but I only needed 2. And I cut them down in 2 sizes. The first larger size is 2 3/4. The second size is 2 1/2. And this is going to fit this project perfectly. Next, I'm going to take the shorter 2 and glue those to the top of my little platform here. And I'm going to use the same technique, Aleene's tacky glue, hot glue. For the larger ones, I'm going to put those on the top and the bottom with Aleene's and hot glue. And I'm going to hold them in place for a few seconds. And this is what it should look like when you're finished. Now I'm going to grab this printable. This is from Stephanie from the Vintage Pebble. I printed it out in the 4x6 setting. I cut it apart where I had the mouse and then the sign. So for the mouse, I completely cut him apart. His whiskers, the greenery, and the tail all cut off. To make this look more aesthetic, I'm going to take a red paint pen and color in his pajamas where the greenery is. And I know it doesn't look like much now, but it really does come together. When I got the red done, I took some black and just kind of highlighted his collar and right down the middle where his buttons are. And I think it looks just fine. I adhered him to a piece of gift box I had. I cut it out to make him more sturdy. For his whiskers, I took a piece of Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. I cut off the wire and then pulled out 3 strands of the burlap. I gathered them together, twisted them in the middle, and then put some hot glue right in the middle, and that's where I'm going to cut it in half. And then I simply glued 3 whiskers on either side with a little dot of hot glue. And look how precious our little mouse is now, complete with whiskers. Now I'm going to take the bed and glue our sign on. I used Aleene's tacky glue, but you can use whatever you want. I just put 4 little dots on the corners like it's nailed on. And then I took another mini Jenga block and wrapped it with a piece of fabric. Y'all, this is just an old tea towel I had in my stash, but it kind of fit the theme. I glued that to the top of the bed, and then I folded my mouse in half and glued the bottom half into the bed. And then taking that same tea towel, I cut a piece for his covers. And I'm just going to glue it to the sides of the bed so it stays in place. Once I got both sides nice and stuck down, that is it. And look how precious this is. I decided to give him a little Christmas tree, so I cut a piece of greenery off of a stem that I had on hand. And for the pot, I decided to put it in a little spool. I think I got these from Michael's. I just glued it into the hole. And I'm going to put everything on this Dollar Tree plaque I have on hand. And I added a little candle so he could have a fireplace. And look how cozy this little mouse is. Oh my gosh, it is precious. I hope this inspires you to make one of your own or give you an idea to make something else. But head over to the Vintage Pebble and grab these printables. She's got a couple of these for Christmas, and they are all as sweet as can be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to water the vine. I'll see you next time.